everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given 5 minus 2 bracket 5 minus 2. So let's start with today's video solution. Many people confused from where to start and they solve it from left to right. 5 minus 2, 3, and then solve the bracket 5 minus 2 and they'll do multiplication. 3 times 3, 9, which is the wrong answer. What you have to do, you have to follow the rule, that is PEMDAS or PEMDAS rule. According to PEMDAS rule, you have to first solve the parenthesis, then exponent, division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. So first parenthesis, in bracket we have given 5 minus 2, that is 3. Now, if we remove the bracket, we have to put the multiplication sign between them. Now we have two operations, that is subtraction and multiplication. And according to PEMDAS rule, we have to give priority to multiplication first. So 5 minus 2 times 3 is 6 and 5 minus 6 is minus 1. So what is the correct answer? Minus 1, not 9. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.